Vibe coding at a surface level is very impressive with what it can do, and it's quite good for simple problems. As an example, I'll use it if I need to reference the syntax on something. For example, I go from JavaScript to Python to C, and I'll sometimes forget, okay, how do I do a for loop in all these different ones? Just give me like 3 lines. What does it look like? The problems arise when working with more complex problems. I've noticed that the AI tends to pick a solution to a problem, but it very rarely picks the most simple one, and it'll often reinvent the wheel, sometimes several times in the same script. For simple problems, this isn't an issue, since you'll have a very nice, compact script, easy to change things. But when you're working with hundreds, especially if you get into larger projects, multiple files, and thousands of lines of code, it'll often become unmaintainable, randomly break in there, and so logically you'll take the error, feed it in there, reprompt it, have it come out again. But past a certain size, the probability of the AI making an error when rewriting like 200 lines of code is high enough that you'll keep getting error after error after error, and you'll basically be stuck in this infinite loop of reprompting until you happen to get lucky that the machine will guess correctly and it won't have an error. But even then, you will probably end up with an overly complex code because it's trying to fix issues created by things being too complex, which makes it more complex. Vibe coding, it is even more valuable to understand how to hand code, and especially understanding the technique that goes into programming beyond just, oh, I need to know the syntax for this. It's good practices when programming in order to be able to correct vibe coding.